Hello students, hope you are doing well at your homes. So today we will be starting with the next chapter, Naughty Monkey. So first of all, I'll give it a reading and then explain you one by one line. A little monkey is playing with its brothers and sisters on the tree. So what the chapter wants to say, that a little monkey is there who is playing with his brothers and sisters on the tree. You can see in this picture also. Then their mother watches them. Can you see the elephant? It is standing under the big tree. It is sleeping. Here is the elephant which is standing under the tree and it is sleeping. So come to the next page. Suddenly the little monkey jumps on the elephant back. Suddenly the little monkey jumps on the elephant back. This is a good ride. I loved it. Laughs the monkey. The monkey says that this is a good ride and I love it. The elephant is awake now. It is angry. It tosses its head. What do you mean by tosses? Moves to and fro. Why does he tosses its head? Because so that the monkey may fall down or may slide over to the tree. The little monkey runs up the tree quickly. And as soon as it tosses the head, the little monkey runs up the tree quickly. The elephants laugh. The naughty little monkey calls its mother. Please help me, mother. It says, I am afraid. You are a naughty monkey, says the mother. What does the mother say? That you are a naughty monkey. Speak to the elephant. Say, I am sorry. The monkey climbs down again. I am so sorry, it says to the elephant. That the monkey feels sorry to the elephant. That's all right. Come with me. I'll give you a ride, says the elephant. And the elephant forgives her or him, and then says that he will give him a ride, and he can come with him. So here in the chapter about naughty monkey, we'll immediately come to the exercises. So these are the hard words from these chapters, which have different meanings, such as watches means to watch something, standing in an upright position, sleeping, resting position, laughs, feeling happy, awake. Awake means to get up after sleeping, tosses, moving to and fro quickly, as soon as possible, naughty. Naughty means mischievous. Afraid means some fear of something. Speak, to say something. Right, to move, or an animal or something. So we can answer these questions orally. That do you say sorry when you do mistakes? Yes, we feel sorry, because whenever we mistakes, we have to feel sorry for whatever we have done, so that we could not do that again. What was the mistake of little monkey? So what was the mistake here in the poem? The mistake was the little monkey jumps on the elephant back while it was sleeping. This is the bad habit, that he was sleeping and he jumped over his back. Now coming to the tick the correct option. The elephant is, what was the elephant doing in the chapter? Eating, sleeping and playing. The elephant was sleeping. So we'll put a tick mark over here and write the sleeping word in this blank over here. The little monkey runs up the tree quickly because it is sad, happy or afraid. He was afraid of that elephant. So we'll put a tick mark over here and write afraid over here in this blank, as this is the correct answer. So in this way you have to do the rest of the question. Now come to the question answers. Whom is the little monkey playing with? Little monkey is playing in this chapter with his brothers and sisters. So you can write as little monkey is playing with his brothers and sisters. Full stop. Who catches the little monkey? Who watches the little monkey? Mother watches the little monkey. Then where is the elephant standing? The elephant is standing under tree. Is the elephant angry? Yes, the elephant was angry when he jumped over his back. So coming up to the next exercise, these are the grammar portion. So you can do the learn words only. Look at these words. They are called the doing words. What are doing words? Doing words are called verbs. What are doing verbs? They are called verbs. In grammar we study verbs such as climbing. Climbing means doing action. They are doing action and they are climbing up the tree. Watching means they see. Playing, they play. Amar and Tanvi are playing in the garden. They are doing some work. What they are doing? They are playing. Amar is climbing up the tree to get some mangoes. What is Amar doing? He is climbing up the tree to get some mangoes. Their mother is watching them. Who is watching them? Their mother. So now we come to end the chapter.